welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video today. So last weekend, Bath & Body Works had this insane sale where they were just throwing us free gifts, free sales, everything like that. So I stocked up. I went crazy online. Like I just had to, I was sipping a little, wine. I got a little tipsy. I was like, ooh, I gotta go. Just went crazy. So if you are a member of the Bath & Body Works community and you have the app, you get a VIP access. So on Friday, I got access to get a free gift with any purchase online. The free gift was this beautiful wallflower plug and a scent. And I was so excited to get that. And then it said free delivery with $50. You know I had to go crazy and get $50 worth of stuff. So I got some new candles, some new fragrances. North Carolina is playing us and they do not have the body care day. So on Saturday was body care day, and everyone in several states like Arizona, Oklahoma, just far away from me, got the $4.95 body care day. But we didn't get the $4.95 body care day. All we got was the $6.50 aromatherapy. So I did stock up on the aromatherapy that I can't wait to show you guys today. And I got some of the fall scents of candles. So let's just get straight into it. So as you can see, I got the sleep collection. I love the sleep collection. This is my favorite collection from the aromatherapy. These are normally $15.50, but I got it for $6.50 online. It comes with lavender and vanilla. It's with natural essential oils with a vanilla absolute and lavender oil. So the lavender oil inspires tranquility and the vanilla absolute calms the mind to encourage relaxation. So your girl needs relaxation. I've been going through some stressful days. It be stressful up in here, okay? So let's get into it. Let me just show you all the aromatherapies. I got another sleep because I'm crazy and I got two. It was $6.50. I had to. And then let's see. Ooh, I got another sleep, but it's a different scent. It's sleep with California lavender. So it's not just lavender vanilla. It comes with California lavender, sage, and geranium. So geranium, that soothes the mind, and sage oil promotes mental balance. They are here for me. They are here for my meditations. I love the aromatherapy sleep collection. That's my favorite. I'll swear by it. I definitely want to try some more in the future, but these are the three that I stocked up on for this sale. And then I got a fall scent. I got a fall coffee bean scrub because I wanted to try a heavy exfoliator. So here is the coffee bean scrub that I got online. It wasn't on sale. I got it for $16.50, but this is my favorite. Back years ago, they had this coffee scrub that I loved and I couldn't find it anywhere. And when I found this, I was like, this is the same formula. I was so excited. Oh my God. So it comes with fresh ground coffee, vanilla milk, and sugar crystals. I love this. This is perfect for me. I don't want just straight coffee grounds or anything like that. I like to mix those vanilla milk and sugar. It's like you have a cappuccino in your shower. It's amazing. They know what they're doing. Then this is a rarity. This is something people never, ever, you could never find this online, but it was online, you guys. I found the Coco Honey. This has been sold out for years. You can never find this online. It comes with cocoa butter, shea butter, and honey. This pure honey, correct me, pure honey, okay? This is the best stuff on their site. So it's this beautiful softening body scrub. I have sensitive skin, so it's perfect for me because it comes with very simple ingredients, which I need, which is pure honey and almond oil, smoothing sugar crystals, and it leaves your skin feeling soft and soothed, which I love. Like I tried this one already. I tried this one already and it makes me feel so amazing. Like I feel like I am on a cloud when I use this scrub. And it's moisturizing, which I love. So I bought two because you gotta get two. Yes, and then they just introduced this beautiful collection, which I purchased online. But I'm sorry, I purchased this in person. So it is their strawberry collection. So I bought everything from the strawberry collection because I'm in love. The scent is amazing. I'll just show you the best packaging because they didn't really do well in the packaging for strawberry, but here it is. look how beautiful. Doesn't it look like a real strawberry crystals in there? Like, I am in love. So this is the exfoliating body scrub right here. It conditions and rejuvenates. It's pure strawberry. There's no pound cake. There's no fancy extra sweetness stuff. It's strawberry. So when I use this scrub, it smells like I am in the middle of a forest. I mean, a garden. I'm in the middle of a garden with beautiful strawberries. So I love this. So I had to pick up the body cream as well because it's amazing. It comes with the cocoa butter, shea butter, and aloe like every other Bath & Body Works fragrance. So you know I had to pick that up. And I got this fragrance because, oh my God, when I tell you this smell, it is amazing. It's pure strawberry. I'm not really a fan of blueberry or anything like that. And they also have the blueberry, but the strawberry, you guys, this is it. You have to get yourself some strawberry fragrance because it makes me so happy. Like, and I think it'll make you happy too. Yeah, so then offline, I bought some more stuff. Just to make it to $50 for free delivery, I bought the Bonfire Bash. So this is something else, okay? I think all of my Bath & Body Works girls are gonna love this. Yes, I used it today. That's why it was open. I think all my Bath & Body Works girls are gonna love this one because it comes with a vanilla bourbon, creamy sandalwood, and cashmere musk. This thing smells like marshmallows, but on steroids. It's so good. You guys have to try this Bonfire Bash. Like, I swear by it. Like, when I smelled this one in the stores, I was like, oh my God, I have to get it. So when I got it online with the free delivery, oh my God, I was so excited. So yes, it did come full price, but I got one gift free. So this one came free. So it was like buy two and get one free. So I got this free. It was really dope. Yeah, so I got a few more scents. I got a few more. I am obsessed with vanilla bean. Okay, you guys, I got vanilla bean. Okay, this has been my favorite candle for life. So when I found out that they had a body cream and a scent, I died. I was like, are you serious? They have a body cream that's vanilla bean. I love vanilla. I get vanilla stuff from Bath & Body Works. I get it from Victoria's Secret, you know, that pure vanilla. Comment down below if you got that vanilla from Vanilla Seduction from Victoria's Secret, because that is amazing. But yes, this is amazing. Yes, I've used it already. Yes, it's amazing. And I have the scent too because you had to go crazy, you know? You can't just go with the cream. You gotta get the scent, you have to layer it. Bath & Body Works is all about layering. You put on the soap, you put on, oh wait, they're not, yep. As I was saying, you put on the shower gel, then you put on the body cream, and then you put on the mist. It's a whole atmosphere, it's a whole experience with Bath & Body Works. You don't play about Bath & Body Works, you go crazy, okay? This way you will smell like a vanilla bean all day. All day, vanilla bean. I say vanilla bean, I don't know why, I'm just crazy sometimes. Let me get that out of the frame. Okay, next you guys, I got two more things. I just realized I got two more things from the aromatherapy collection. Oh my God, I got another sleep. This one is their body wash and foam bath. I love this. I love this for baths at night when I'm really tired or I worked out really crazy and I just need to relax. This is amazing. So it's a body wash and a bath, so you can use it in your shower and your bath, but I just use it in my bath and it smells so good. It's so calming and the ingredients are so natural. It's safe for, you know, us girls to use because you know we have to be very careful about our body wash. Comment down below if you know what I mean. You can't play games with a lot of fragrances. You gotta be very careful and be very conscious of that. So it comes with lavender oil, which inspires tranquility, and vanilla absolute, which calms the mind and encourages relaxation. When I tell you I be tired after I take these baths, I be tired. That's why I love this. And when you get you a lavender vanilla candle, you have the whole experience, okay? So this is new. This one's brand new. It's only online. I bought the Pure Vanilla Aromatherapy collection. It was only $6.50. All I see, this is really hard to find. This is the only thing that I found only online. So it is calming and it soothes the senses and it promotes peaceful sleep. So I'm really excited to try this just pure vanilla lavender because I love lavender and I love vanilla. So I'm really excited to try them separately just to see how that goes. So this one is an essential oil body wash. So this is only a body wash. It's not a body, it's not a foam bath. So I'll just use the body wash, which is dope. It's very calming, and I am really looking forward to this because I know Bath & Body Works is tried and true. They are definitely good at exfoliating and moisturizing your skin, so I think this will be a winner. You guys have to pick this up online. It was only $6.50 for me, but originally it's $13.50, which you can also get a free gift if you've spent, you know, $75 or more. So I also picked up a really nice sugar scrub from the aromatherapy collection. It was only $6.50, you guys. Are you serious? This was $6.50. These are normally $16.50, but it's this amazing foamy scrub, which I really love. I love that it's sugar, that it's thick enough for you just to exfoliate your skin, but it's not as harsh as it would be to have pure sugar. So I love the formula that they put together for this. And as you know, it's lavender vanilla, which is my favorite. I have 1,000 lavender vanilla things because I'm in love with it because it's amazing. As you know, it inspires tranquility and it calms the mind to encourage relaxation. Ooh, they gave you a tip. It says aromatherapy tip. Scoop out a handful of this scrub and massage gently over your skin before bedtime to ease your mind. Rinse well. Oh, so you just scoop out a handful. I usually just, you know, take it with my foam little scrubber. So I'll definitely just use my hands to see how that works because this is bomb. Y'all gotta try this one. All right, so that's everything for the aromatherapy collection that I got on sale online. I had to pick up some candles, okay? I am a candle girl. I am tried and true in candles. That is my religion. So I picked up 4 candles that I want to show you guys today. I picked up, you know, I had to get my favorite vanilla. So I got I'm about to drop everything. I got a vanilla bean, y'all. I love vanilla bean. It's my favorite. So I had to pick up a vanilla bean. This weekend, I forgot to mention, this weekend, not only did they have the $6.50 aromatherapy collection, they had the free gift as well as the 10 off of all the candles. So these candles were only $14.50 and it's originally $24.50. So I had to go pick up 4. I had to go crazy, y'all. 4 is crazy for me because I just picked up, you know, about 20. So 4 is like a little bit much, but it's fine, you know. I have an obsession and I'm okay with it, and I want y'all to be okay with it because y'all like to watch these crazy things that people do. So I hope y'all enjoy this. If you're enjoying it, everything so far, please subscribe because you definitely don't want to miss any of the other crazy things that I buy. All right, so I picked up this new fall candle that I wanted to try. It's apple weather. I definitely wanted to look into this and see what this was all about. It sounds so good. Everybody knows about sweater weather. You know, sweater weather is amazing. Sweater weather, sweater weather. So I was like, what is apple weather going to be like? Because fall time is perfect for apples, pumpkins, anything like that. So I definitely wanted to pick this up online. The fragrance notes are fresh farm stand apples, lavender leaves, cinnamon bark, and essential oils. So I love cinnamon bark. When they said cinnamon, I was like, oh my God, that's amazing. It's an apple and cinnamon candle. It's amazing. Oh my God, it smells so good. It reminds me of my childhood for some reason. I don't know. It kind of reminds me of 'Tis the Season. Comment down below if you guys know what 'Tis the Season smells like, because I love 'Tis the Season. And this kind of is similar. It smells really good, and I love that they did this new packaging with the ridges and everything like that. I love when they do stuff special. And as you can see with this packaging, it definitely will illuminate when you spark the candle, which I love. It's similar to the Cozy Cashmere in my last video. If you haven't seen that already, please check that out. It's under my playlist of hauls. It's my crazy Bath & Body Works candle sale. Cozy Cashmere is amazing, and I think apple weather is going to be amazing too, and I love the packaging, so I'm so excited. And then I picked up another one of these, Lakeside Morning. You can't go wrong. It was on sale. I had to grab it. So it has the fragrance notes of crisp autumn air, white driftwood, a hint of green apple, I love apples, and essential oils. So I love Lakeside Morning. It was in my other video as well. I swear buying it. It was only $14.50, so I had to pick it up because originally they're $24.50. And you know, the fall's coming. It's gonna get all cold outside. Everybody's gonna wanna cuddle up with their bae, cuddle up with their boo, you know, just, you know, relax. So I had to grab it. Alrighty, and last but not least, I picked up pumpkin cookie dough. Oh my god, it sounds so amazing online, so I can't wait to smell it and see what it's like. I'm trying this on, you know, on camera with you guys. This is my first time trying this. I just opened up the box and I just was like, I have to film this. I love candles. I can't wait to show this to everyone. So let's just take a look here what the fragrance notes are. It is homemade cookie dough, creamy pumpkin, cinnamon sugar, and essential oils. I love cookie dough, so I think this is gonna be amazing. Oh, I was right. Oh my god, this is amazing. Pumpkin cookie dough. You guys have to get this one too because I love cookies and everything like that, but I'm on, you know, a health kick, so I don't really eat a lot of stuff, so I can live vicariously through all of my candles. Yeah. So they did this little teaser thing here where they send you this piece of paper that you think is a coupon, but it's not. They got you. It's just this beautiful paper that says the world's best 3-wick candle guaranteed. I mean, they're right. You have to admit, this is the best candle ever. So yeah, I'm in love. I love this packaging. And then last but not least, the free gift, you guys. I just opened everything up. I haven't even opened up the free gift, so I'm excited to see it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it came with any purchase online on Saturday, but as a VIP on Friday, I got it online. So it's this beautiful wallflower, you guys. Look at that. It's gorgeous. And it glows in the dark. It's like a light. It's like a night light for you guys. This is amazing. Yes, and then you get a plug-in. So I'm excited to see what that is. Ooh. The perfect autumn. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. This is amazing. I love autumn scents. This is gonna be amazing to plug in while I have some of my candles burning, you know, just hanging out, maybe roasting marshmallows. I never did that before, but I'm gonna try to be new this year. I'm gonna try to do some new social things with people, roast marshmallows, you know, have plug-ins and have candles burning. So you guys, this was by far my biggest haul I've ever done. And if you guys enjoyed it, please make sure you like this video and comment down below any other hauls you'd like me to do. I really, really love Bath & Body Works hauls. So I'm so excited to share this with you guys, and definitely subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.